Hello everyone. So now we are going to see how we can use R in order to perform different calculations by using different functions, you can say. So we'll start with the very basic functions. For example, we have square root. So let us just try to see. So we are writing the comment as per the best practices. If you're writing any kind of, you can say, code, it's best to write the uh, comment so it is usable for afterwards. You can say sqrt is the function where I'm going to put the number inside it. I'm going to run it. I got the output as 3. Similarly, we also have a function exponential one. So let us just try to see exponentials functions. It starts with exp. The bracket we are going to write. We want the exponential of 10. So we got an output as 22026 in this case. So as per the cancer requirement, we can make it more and more complex also. For example, like we want to have something like bracket, then we can have a log function in the bracket. We can have 1, and then coming out of the bracket, we'll just try to multiply this value by 10 and we'll see the output. So we got 0. So that means we are able to solve these complex calculation also. We can also have, like, for example, we will try to make it more complex. Like, for example, we'll have numbers, then division, and then we'll use brackets. Then we are going to use sqrt for square root the 9, and after that also I'll try to multiply by a number. So I'm trying to make it more and more complex in this case. And then we'll try to run it. See, we are getting the output. So it can be very simple, and you can try to use for the most complex part as well. Apart from that, like if you want to get an information of any kind of construct functions which is non-known to you, for example, I'm not aware of what is exp is used for. I'll just type question mark exp and brackets over here. And the simple one, I'll just try to execute this statement. So what will happen by executing this statement, I'll be able to see on the right hand side, as you can see, I'll be able to see the complete detailed explanation of this function. So it is logarithmic and exponential function. Log computes logarithms by default natural languages. Log 10 computes common 10 base, that is base 10 logarithms, and log 2 computes binary, that is base 2 logarithms. So like complete explanation will be given over here with an explanation, usage will be given, arguments will be given, and detailed explanation with values and different methods, sources. So all these things will be provided in detail by using this function. So that's all for this section. Thank you.